Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to see MailerLite vs MailerLite, which is the better email marketing platform. Click the links in the description to try MailerLite and MailerLite for free. Both MailerLite and MailerLite are email marketing platforms, and each has its own set of features and characteristics. Here's a general comparison based on information available. For email validation, Bouncer is a great email validation tool, so you can try it out for free without having to enter any credit card information using the link in the description below. First, let us see the feature MailerLite has. MailerLite offers a range of features including email campaign creation, subscriber management, automation workflows, AI-powered tools, and reporting or analytics. Second, we see the ease of use. MailerLite is designed to be user-friendly, making it suitable for businesses of various sizes. Finally, we see its pricing. MailerLite's pricing may vary based on factors such as the number of subscribers or the frequency of emails. Here is current price of MailerLite. Now let us see MailerLite. First, let us see its feature. MailerLite provides a range of features, including campaign creation, drag and drop editor, automation workflows, landing pages, and more. It's known for its user-friendly interface. Secondly, we see the ease of use. MailerLite is designed to be user-friendly, particularly for beginners. The platform is known for its simplicity and ease of navigation. Finally, its price. MailerLite typically offers a free plan with limited features and affordable pricing for paid plan. The pricing may be based on the number of subscribers. Its price range from free version up to $1,000 per month. When deciding between MailerLite and MailerLite, consider your specific business requirements, budget constraints, and the features that are essential for your email marketing strategy. Also, check for any updates or changes. Take advantage of trial versions or demos, if available, to get hands-on experience and determine which platform best aligns with your needs. Click the links in the description to try MailerLite and MailerLite for free. Thank you for watching.